Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So I do a lot of YouTube videos. Jacob Vile, yes sir. Car audio, daily car audio demos. What's your name? What's in here, man?
Drennan. I got a ZVX V218. You don't have to roll it up.
That's good. Yeah.
I got a ZVX V218, and I'm only on 1200 watts right now. I got to get a bigger amp and everything.
Okay. Where's your amp?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Nice. Who built the box?
I did.
Okay.
Actually.
Do you know the tuning on it or size or anything?
Flat.
30 hertz. All right. Do you know the size?
It's 7.2 cubic.
Okay. Nice. Did you ever try inverting versus mounting regular?
The box is actually built for invert. It's got supports in the middle and everything.
Okay.
So,
sweet.
It's built for invert.
Okay. Do you have an upgraded alternator or battery?
I have a Victory kit, and I need to get an upgraded alternator.
Okay. All right. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Just want to do a quick little commentary I like to do before we get to the loud bass demo. So, single subwoofer 18-inch. Hope y'all enjoying the video so far. Be sure to give Brandon a like. He's doing a good job showcasing it. This is at Scrapin the Coast show in 2022. Really, really hot out, so sorry if there's a little glare on the camera. Couple things I wanted to mention. Before that, let's do a quick little question of the day. When do you want to upgrade your alternator? So how much power, RMS, wattage, would you say is when you would think, or tell somebody, when you think you should upgrade your alternator? So let me know in the comments what you think that answer would be. I would say probably over 2,000 watts RMS. I've seen systems run over 8 to 10,000 on a stock alt. Not recommended, but I'd say anything over 2,000. But looking forward to y'all's responses. So 2 things on this system. He custom built it. Really nice box. Really good job there. I know you're watching, man. So he built this box to be where the inverted subwoofer box is made to be inverted because of there's braces that would block where the motor is. If anybody doesn't know what that means, it's basically there's going to be a brace that would block where the motor would mount downward to make sure the box doesn't flex more. And he had a ratchet strap to keep it in place. And lastly, the ratchet strap bracing that he has here. If you didn't know where those are, you can check out the link in the description for where to get them. A lot of people get those to help reinforce the roof or the side panels. Not the best way, but it does work. So anyway, thanks y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more daily cardio videos. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and dig into this demo. Looking forward to seeing how it sounds on stock electrical. So you said you're going to plan to upgrade your alternator because your voltage dropped?
Bad.
Do you have a voltage reader to kind of know how bad it was?
It probably goes from about 14.4 to about a little bit under 10.
10, really? 10s? Oh, yeah, yeah. Once you do the alternator, it'll help. Or if you do a second battery, it'll help too.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Yeah.
Just gotta...
A battery would be probably more beneficial for battery reserve. That's up to you.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
I like it. Yes, that's me. You can see my face right there. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. All right. Thanks for the info.
rocking the beat, slapping my hands. Went to the park to get to school. Knuckleheads out there, cold shoes and boots. Talking that
Appreciate the demo.
No problem.
So what's your name?
Drennan.
Drennan. All right, Jacob Vile on YouTube. If you look me up, you'll see I do a lot of videos. Jacob Vile. So you said you're going to plan to upgrade your alternator because your voltage dropped?
Bad.
Do you have a voltage reader to kind of know how bad it was?
Probably goes from about 14.4 to about a little bit under 10.
Really? 10s? Oh, yeah. Once you do the alternator, it'll help. Or if you do a second battery, it'll help too.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Yeah.
Just gotta.
A battery would be probably more beneficial for battery reserve, but that's up to you.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
I like it. Yes, that's me. You can see my face right there. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.